Hey everyone, my name is Manan Tomar.
And my name is Divya Stogi.
So as you guys know, on this channel we make you travel with us all over the world.
So today we are going to talk about.
Best places to visit in Mumbai.
So without wasting any time, here we go.
Land of unending adventure. Escape the ordinary in Mumbai. To move, to breathe, to fly, to float. To gain all while you give. To roam the roads of lands remote. To travel is to live. Imagine the hive that is global city like London, then times it by 100. That's what Mumbai is like. A city brimming with life, culture and amazing history.
Called the City of Dreams, Mumbai is not only the powerhouse of Indian business, industry and trade, but also the financial and entertainment capital of the country. It is the perfect blend of modernity and tradition, and you will see people from all walks of life here. The city has hypnotized every soul that has come across its exhibit and developed taste of it. It has no exaggeration to call Mumbai the New York City of India. The character and the vibe of the Mumbai are unlike any other.
Mumbai is a stunning paradox of hope and chaos, magic and madness, where the changing modernity of India has been experienced more intensely.
From Gandhi's arrival from England in 1915 to the protest against the Simon Commission in 1928, Bombay and now Mumbai has been home to many key events of the freedom struggle.
Best places to visit in Mumbai are:
Visit the stunning Mumbai Taj. The Mumbai Taj is one of Mumbai's best known buildings. Obviously, it is one of the city's most prestigious places to stay, but if you are looking for a little taste, head over to Masala's Craft Restaurant. Inside that serves some of the very best contemporary Indian cuisines in the city.
Watch the sunset at the Gateway of India, Mumbai. Once the intense heat of midday has gone and the sun starts to drop, you will notice a huge swath of visitors and locals alike that come out to enjoy the shorefront around the Gateway of India. It's a really special place to see, especially the sunset.
George at Crawford Market, Mumbai. Probably the one of the city's most famous market. Crawford Market is the best place to experience the hustle and bustle of Mumbai's market. There are literally hundreds of places to buy everything from spices, vegetables, cooked food, and some of the best pani puri you can find.
Walk Marine Drive at sunset, Mumbai. This is one of the city's most famous roads that travel between Nariman Point to Malabar Hill, overlooking the Arabian Sea. At sunset, it is spectacular to stroll down. If you want to do this in the early afternoon, just be prepared for some intense heat and an overbearing sun.
Head over to Elephanta Island, just north of Gateway of India and the UNESCO World Heritage Site. Elephanta Island is an incredible place to experience the hand-cut temples that are carved into rocks over 1500 years ago. It is really the one of the best things to visit in Mumbai.
Experience India's only surviving opera house, Mumbai. The Royal Opera House of Mumbai is a very special place indeed. It's the last of its kind and just reopened last year after a hefty 6 years, still putting on performances today. The Real Opera House is perfect to spend an evening in the city.
See the Haji Ali Dargah Mosque, located on a small island in the middle of Worli Bay. Haji Ali Dargah Mosque is a beautiful place to visit. Thousands of pilgrims from all over the world visit Dargah, especially on Thursday and Friday. People of all faiths are welcome in this mosque. A constructed lane will lead you to the floating mosque that can be accessed only during the low tide.
See the Hanging Garden of Mumbai. It's on the slope of Malabar Hill and it's an absolute delight. Roam the terrace gardens and get an uphill panorama of Marine Drive from the top, as well as Chopati Beach. You might even find some of the prune trees that are shaped and manicured into the manner of things.
Visit Prince of Wales Museum, dedicated to the Prince of Wales in the Victorian era. The museum has now been aptly named the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Vastu Sangrahalaya, or CSMVS for short. The Incredible Fox Renaissance building has a huge array of objects and textiles, as well as focused on Mumbai's rich and luminous history. Just remember, you might want to prioritize what to see and what to skip, especially with there being over 50,000 things to see inside.
Explore Sanjay Gandhi National Park, just a little outside of Mumbai itself. Sanjay Gandhi National Park is one of the beautiful places that every traveler to Mumbai should see. This jungle paradise is filled with literally thousands of species of plants, beautiful scenery, Shilonda waterfall, and if you are really lucky, you might even spot a leopard or two. Don't forget to visit the Canary Caves that form part of Buddhist monks' monastic buildings. They really are so special to see.
How to visit Mumbai? Mumbai is easily accessible through flights and railways.
Conclusion: Mumbai is a city of contrasts that will surprise you in so many ways. This may not be a city for those who love the peace and calm of the countryside, but it is sure the place to be in if one wishes to live life to the fullest.
That's for today, guys. Next time we come with a new dream destination. And guys, don't forget to visit our official website. Link is given below.
We hope you like the video, so don't forget to like, comment and share this video to your friends and family.
And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Type location.